Today I would like to speak about the World Brain Day and the importance of keeping our brain healthy. The World Brain Day is celebrated every year on 22nd July. This special day spreads awareness about the brain health and teaches how to protect their brain. A healthy brain helps us learn better, think clearly and enjoy a happy and active life. Did you know that the human brain never stops working? Even if we are asleep, our brain is busy helping us breathe, keeping our heart beating, and storing the things that we learn during the day. That is why we should take a good care of our brain. The best way to protect our brain is by following the healthy habits every day. Eat healthy foods like fruits, vegetables, whole grain, milk, egg, nuts and fish. These foods provide important nutrients for the brain. Sleep well for 9 to 11 hours because sleeping helps our brain rest to grow and remember what we learn.
Exercise every day by walking, running, cycling, dancing or playing outdoor games. Exercise improves blood flow to the brain. Read books, solve puzzles, draw pictures, learn song and ask questions. These activities make our brain stronger and improve our memory. Drink plenty of water because our brain needs water to function properly. We limit screen time and spend more time in reading, playing outdoors, talking with family and enjoying nature. Wear a helmet while riding a bicycle and always follow safety rules to protect our brain from injuries. Dear friends, our brain is a wonderful gift. It helps us dream, discover, create and achieve our goals. If we eat healthy food, sleep well, exercise regularly, keep running and protect our brain from injury, it will remain stronger and healthy throughout our lives. On this World Brain Day, let us promise to take care of our brain and encourage our family and friends. To do the same together, we can build a healthier and brighter future. A healthy brain is the key to a happy life. Thank you everyone. Have a wonderful day.